So I made my daughter 3-tier cake for her birthday tomorrow, August 25th. Today's the 24th. And see how nice they came out. They're flat. They don't have a big high rise on them. So, and I'm getting ready to put icing on them. How nice the icing is spreading. It's beautiful. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, second layer. First layer is done. And I'm going to pull this off of the second layer. Sometimes the chocolate chips come off with it. This one didn't. Yay! All right. I will show you how I'm going to begin to icing this layer. All right. Okay, now I will put on that layer. The layer had more chocolate chips, so I'm about to put it on. Here we go. Third cake. The third tier, I should say. Or better still. I believe this is the best cake I ever made in my life. It's a 3-tier chocolate cake, chocolate on chocolate on chocolate. And it's for my daughter, Alexi Rochelle Scott's 36th birthday tomorrow for August 25th, 2023. God is good. Miss Alexi, I love you. This, darling, is for you.